welcome all of you on platform of YourPD Education, and you are watching the series of videos which we are uploading for admissions in foreign universities. You know, one of the very frequently asked query of the student is related to these two top universities, National University Singapore and Nanyang Technical Universities. These two universities are among top 13 universities of the world. If I'm not wrong, this is the I think I've taken from QS ranking. So these top universities, I mean, they are among top 20 universities any day in the global ranking of the various universities. So, and the country is very small. Singapore is a very small country, and all South Asian nations, they want to get into this particular country. All the students of this area, they want to get into these universities. So these universities are very, very competitive universities. And you know, in their admission portal, they have also written that for Indian students, they will take GATE also, other than GRE. So Indian student can take GATE because many South Indian students are in, I mean, a lot of South Indians are in Singapore. So obviously they aspire to get into these universities. So they've written on their website. If you ask me honestly, that the probability of getting into these universities with GATE score is little less because they appreciate more GRE score. But still, the criteria which they have mentioned that you can use GATE also instead of GRE. But GATE key requirement, what they have mentioned is 90 percentile is very less. So I don't think with that low score you will get into that. But yes, if your GATE score is exceptionally very good, I mean, among five top 500 all India ranks, if your GATE score is there and it matches somewhere around 98, 99 percentile, you need to get percentile also. So you stand a chance. You stand a chance, and next admission season will come in now. August is the last deadline. I will discuss that in the next video. August is the last deadline if you are targeting for January. So those of you who want to get more information, fill the Google form, and in that you write that we want more information about NS, NUS, NTU, and Rahul sir will interact with you and give you entire information. So if you ask me honestly that whether it is GATE or GRE, my answer is certainly they take GRE as a score. That is what they accept. And if you go on the website of these universities, I went on Nanyang Technical University. So the admission is for the local universities, applicants from the local universities in Singapore. That is one. Overseas universities in which Indian students lie. So applicants from India, all applicants must write GRE. That is there. Applicants from India may use GATE, graduate aptitude test, in place of GRE. That is what they have written. You know, that is they have written. So, but I've seen not many cases getting into basically these universities through GATE. But yes, maybe the reason may be that very high ranker with GATE land up in public sector or some good courses in India itself. So they don't apply for that. So what is the crux of this entire discussion? That if you are thinking low GATE score के साथ आपको ये university मिल जाएगी, answer is no. You need to have very high GATE score. They have mentioned 90 percentile, but it is far more than that. 98, 99 percentile पे you can think it off. GRE requirement कितनी है? That is what they have written. GATE requirement test within 3 years GATE is valid, and minimum is 90 percentile. But you know, you should consider it more than 99 or 98. Then only you can think of applying there. Yes, TOEFL is actually required. IELTS or TOEFL is required, but they have also mentioned somewhere that TOEFL and IELTS can be waived off. In what condition it can be waived off? It can be waived off if you produce some kind of documentation that your entire education is done in English. If you produce something like that, then it can be waived off, but chances of that are less. So now let me summarize this very small video. In detail, I will discuss with you sometime later about NUS and NTU. And yes, those of you who now are targeting or they are to apply, next intake will be in January 2022. You can join that university. For that, you need to apply by August. So that detailed video I will make once again. You can think of doing that. So what is the entire conclusion of this video? Sir, can I go to Singapore University or Nanyang Technical University with GATE? Answer is examples we have seen are less, but the reason may be number of seats are less and not many students apply. So if your gate score is really good and you want to take a chance to this, you want to try, do that. So you do not have GRE, nothing to worry. If you want to apply with GATE, try to apply with GATE by August. And the second is, so do I need to have IELTS or TOEFL? In certain cases that can be waived off. Discuss with Rahul sir in detail about that, what documents are required. So only GATE, no TOEFL, no GRE, can I apply? Answer is you can apply, you can take a trial for that, but your GATE score should be really good. What is the last date till when I can apply? August. उसका डिटेल मैं वीडियो बनाऊंगा and I will tell you how you have to apply for that. And if you get selected, then January onward you are to basically go and join that course in that university, Singapore University. In detail about other aspects of National University Singapore and what are the various courses there and how you have to proceed forward, that I will discuss in one of the next videos. So this very precise video was related to most of the queries you were having related to these universities, whether you can apply with GATE or not. So I have put my point here, and the rest of the discussion you can do with the mentor of Europedia. So he will guide you appropriately for that. All the best and thank you.